Alright, so we're going to go over how to pull the striker out of a SIG 365. To start, gun is unloaded, hopefully you can see that. It's going to come apart like anything else. Take the takedown lever, put it down, the slide forward, recoil spring comes out, as does the barrel. Now what you have to do is push back towards the front on the little button, hopefully you can see it in the camera, right above my finger in there. I'd like to hit it if I can. There we go, right in there. And so all I have is a little flat blade screwdriver. We're going to keep your hand on this because there is going to be spring tension as you push it down. So push that in, sorry. And then push the slide cover back. Again, keeping the finger over the spring because it's going to come out. Then the striker. It's going to come out in one piece. Watch for the safety plunger in there, you don't want to lose that. The striker spring is held in place, sorry, by this front cap here. It's two pieces. If you pull the spring back some, you can split it in half at 6 and 12 o'clock. I assume these pieces will transfer over to the new striker. I don't know because I don't have one yet. But that's all you got to do to take it out. Putting it back in, you're going to push down on the push down on the safety plunger. Striker back in. And again, keep pressure on that. Sorry, we're going to keep it in the camera here. On the striker. And then we're going to push the cover back in place. And you're good. We'll put it back together and function test it, and that's all there is to it. Alright, sorry, I want to add one more thing here. So I have the slide back together and ready to go back on the frame. One common thing on this pistol, and I think other SIG polymer pistols, is sometimes the takedown lever will get stuck kind of midway. You just push up on the slide catch, and it'll go right back down again. And keep your thumb on that. And then we'll go ahead and put the slide back on. Lock it back. Takedown lever up on its own. Let it go forward, and I know we're all pretty dry firing, but we're going to give it a shot. I think we're good. Have a good night.